Hello, I am Karim Khalid Noman and this Plaxis 2D 3D course chapter 8 Deep Foundation. We will speak in the important topic in deep foundation. In deep foundation I mean the piles. We will speak about negative skin friction. Negative skin friction, it is a phenomenon that occurs if the pile performs a very weak layer, for example soft or very soft clay, and then the pile will base on strong layer, for example rock or very dense sand. In negative skin friction we will have two cases. My first case is in case the load acting on the pile is compression load. When these weak layers are exposed to external loads other than the pile load, this load leads to a significant subsideness in this layer, which leads to the movement of the soil particles down. Okay, the movement will be down, so the friction will be down, and that's mean more load on pile, not friction made pile stopping from the movement to down. Okay, in this case the weak layer, the negative skin friction is giving us more resistance in case of tension loads, but we didn't take it in our mind because that's more critical. Look at every layer get down. So T ultimate equal QS2, T ultimate equal T allowable equal T ultimate divided factor safety plus L weight. Methods to decrease negative skin friction: we can use preloading, or we can use bored piles, or using bitumen the driven pile. And that is the theoretical part of deep foundation. Negative skin friction is very important, you should know about it. Okay, let's modeling pile by using Plaxis. In soil profile we have one layer as follows. My layer name is sand. The thickness of layer equal 20 meter. Angle of internal friction equal 35 degree. Cohesion equal 2 kilopascal. Modulus of elasticity equal 50 triple 0 kilopascal. My water level, initial water depth equal 3 meter. Don't forget standard fixed. Okay, press generate. My water level, generate water pressure. Okay, update initial stresses. Okay, update and calculate. We will save our model where we can save it. Okay, save. So okay, my first phase is pile. Get your total displacement from here, vertical displacement from here, stresses, effective stresses shading, total stresses. Okay, you can click on pile. You can get bending moment, maximum bending moment here equal 13.61, and your shear equal the maximum shear force equal 17.21, the axial force equal 490.72 kilonewton per meter. The formation, you can get your vertical displacement, you can get your horizontal displacement, you can get your total displacement,